When should iteritems be used instead of items? Is it legitimate to use items instead of iteritems in all places? Why was iteritems removed from Python 3? Seems like a terrific and useful method. What's the reasoning behind it? Edit. To clarify, I want to know what is the correct idiom for iterating over a dictionary in a generator-like way, one item at a time, not all into memory, in a way that is compatible with both Python 2 and Python 3.
In Python 2.x, .items returned a list of key, value, pairs. In Python 3.x, .items is now an item view object, which behaves differently, so it has to be iterated over, or materialized. So, list_items is required for what was dict.items in Python 2.x. Python 2.7 also has a bit of a backport for key handling, in that you have viewKeys, viewItems and viewValues methods, the most useful being viewKeys, which behaves more like a set, which you'd expect from a dict. Simple example. We'll give you a list of the common keys, but again, in Python 3.x, just use .keys instead. Python 3.x has generally been made to be more lazy. IEmap is now effectively itertools.imap, zip is itertools.izip, etc.
dict.iteritems was removed because dict.items now does the thing dict.iteritems did in Python 2.x and even improved it a bit by making it an item view.
The 6 library helps with writing code that is compatible with both Python 2.5 Plus and Python 3. It has an iteritems method that will work in both Python 2 and 3. Example.
As the dictionary documentation for Python 2 and Python 3 would tell you, in Python 2 items returns a list, while iteritems returns a iterator. In Python 3, items returns a view, which is pretty much the same as an iterator. If you are using Python 2, you may want to use your iteritems if you are dealing with large dictionaries and all you want to do is iterate over the items, not necessarily copy them to a list.